So, yeah. May, ano yan, around May 2003. Lagi kasi yung sinasabi. Ayaw mo naman naniwala, pero it was love at first sight. Then we became friends, good friends. Then niligawan kita, naging tayo for 10 years. So marami tayong pinagdaanan. So ngayon, nandito tayo. Taking our vows in front of our friends, family, and especially to our Lord our God. I take you as you are, loving you who you are, right now and from the future. I promise to listen to you and learn from you, to support you and accept your help. I will eat everything you cook, kahit busog na ako. I will be your friend, best friend, critic, worst enemy, advisor. I will be your everything. I will